How to remove clock from iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Now, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. Scroll down to View and explore all the wallpaper suggestions below. Tap on any wallpaper from here to get a preview. You can also edit the wallpaper from here. Tap on the clock to edit and change its font size and color if you want. If you want to remove the clock, then swipe left on the font color and tap on the rainbow icon at the end. Then, tap on the icon as shown. After that, place it over the clock and tap on it so that it is no longer visible. You have now successfully removed the clock. If you want to set this as your wallpaper, then go to the top right corner and tap on Add. Following these steps, you can easily remove clock from iPhone lock screen.